Laura has managed to get herself an invite to the Johnson Space Centre to meet the graduates and see their training. It's been quite an exciting time for you, hasn't it, Laura?
It's just been an incredible 24 hours here, a lifelong dream. You know, you look to the stars and you look to the sky and you see the stars and the planets and wonder what's beyond and what they all hold for us here on Earth. And they hold the key to everything. You know, space is the DNA of everything that we are. And so when we were invited to come here to meet the amazing team behind this new mission and this incredible new rocket, it's the most powerful one in the world. And it's that that's going to send humans back to the moon.
And as we leave the moon, we leave as we came, and God willing, as we shall return.
47 years since humankind last stepped foot on the moon. Now Earth's newest astronauts, 7 men and 6 women from NASA and Canada's Space Agency, are ready for a new frontier and a race to put the first woman on the lunar surface. I've been invited to fulfill a childhood dream here at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston to meet the amazing team behind the Artemis mission to the moon and learn a little bit more about what it takes to reach the stars. Laurel O'Hara is one of the graduating class and her eyes are fixed on the horizon.
We will go to the moon via Orion. The South Pole has potentially water ice that we can use for water, possibly to make oxygen, things like that, just kind of like basic survival needs. Also potentially rocket fuel, perhaps other minerals and resources that are there as well.
This is Zena. She is one of the most recent astronauts to graduate from the NASA training program. They've been training for over 2 years, but this here is one of the most impressive parts of the training program here at NASA. Going into the pool with a life-size replica of the International Space Station, but it is one of the most dangerous things an astronaut can do in space. NASA is redesigning everything for this mission to the moon, from the rockets to the rovers and even the suits.
So we have been working on spacesuits really since the Apollo missions have ended. So we've been building and testing what the next lunar suit will look like. One of the prototypes that we have is behind me. This is the Mark III spacesuit. We've tested it, tried out different components, retested it. We have a new comm system, so you no longer have to wear a comm set on your head.
Oh, the black and white hat,
You now have it just integrated into the suit itself. The way you get into our suit is different, so now you enter the suit from the back. This allows for a lot better shoulder mobility and also a lot better downward field of view, so you can see your feet when you're walking around on the surface.
NASA made one small step last year with the first all-female spacewalk, but the giant leap is yet to come. When man first set foot on the moon, they said one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. As and when the first woman steps foot on the moon, do you know what they might say?
One giant leap for humankind.